Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture let's go ahead and look at how to select positive numbers out of negative values. So you have an array of positive and negative numbers, and in this way we go ahead and write a simple code that will help us to select just the positive numbers out of all the numbers. Let's go ahead and start by import random, and then we go ahead and say x is equal to array, and then we go ahead and use a for loop and say for I in range of 20, and then we go ahead and say x dot append, and let's say int random dot random. We go ahead and multiply that by 20, and that is to say 100. Now let's go ahead and print x, and then we go ahead and say for, let's say, positive equal to negative equal to arrays, and then we go ahead and say for, so for I in x, we go ahead and check if I is less than 0. If I is less than 0, then we go ahead and say negative value, negative dot append, and append I right in there, and then we go ahead and say else if I is greater than 0, then we go ahead and append positive dot append and append I. Now we go ahead and print out, go ahead and print, and I'm going to say the negative, let's go ahead and say negative numbers is equal to, so negative numbers is equal to neg, and print positive numbers equal to comma pose. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. Wow, that printed both positive and negative numbers. Let's go ahead and what we need to do here is, let's go ahead and say pose is equal to array on its own. So we have to do that because it printed both positive and negative number as well. So go ahead and run this code again, and let's check it out. It seems, let's go ahead and reduce this from to 10 so we can be able to have more accurate numbers right there. So I believe that is okay, because this 20 multiplied random numbers minus 100 will all give us negative. That is why I have to reduce that. Okay, so now I can be able to generate positive numbers and the negative numbers, and you can see it was able to select all the negative numbers different and select all the positive numbers different. And if you go ahead and run that again, is to go ahead and give you positive numbers and negative numbers. Let's run this one more time and check it out. Negative numbers and positive numbers. Alright, I hope that is cool, and the code is just ready before you. Go ahead and pull it down on your own system, play around with it and check out more on that. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.